My head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got a unboxing video for you guys. I know I had said yesterday that I was supposed to do an upload and do a review on the Android car stereo, but I was so excited today that I just didn't have the time to do it. So I just purchased this and I want to do an unboxing, show you guys. Before I get into the video, you already know what time it is. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like, that subscribe, and that notification bell, so when I drop an upload, you'll be the first one to get it. Thank you. Yes, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a blessed, beautiful day today. You feel me? And beautiful weekend. Yeah, here we go. So it's a HP laptop, as you can see. I'm gonna try to read out the little specs that they have. It said 256 gig solid state drive, 8 gig SODIMM DDR4. I don't even know none of that stuff. It said no optical drive, Windows 10. It's a 15.6 inch HD LED display, 220 nits or nights, NITS, and 3 cell 41WH. I don't even know what is that, but let's get to the program. Show you guys how it looked. I didn't even ask them what color I should get. I just went in there before they closed. I basically got this for what, it was $414 and it came to like $449 with the taxes. I have to do like a mailing rebate to get back like $35, I think. Yeah, so I don't even know how to do that. I gotta figure it out or call them or something. Alright, here we go guys. So let's pop this open. Bam. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? It's silver. Like a silverish color. I don't know, majority. Oh, this is the setup. This is the setup instructions. And you know, your boy don't really look at no instructions. I don't look at instructions. I don't look at manual. I don't look at none of that stuff. Like, real talk. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. If all my fans know me, they know that I don't look at none of that stuff. Here we go. Take this side off. I gotta keep it because if it don't work, like because what I basically bought it for, I'm gonna start doing because my other laptop messed up. I'm gonna start doing day trading. So that's why I bought this one. Is a special one because the notebook don't work, can't do it. Notebook won't work and Chromebook don't work. It's a special, it's one that you actually have to get. A special laptop itself you will have to get to run that software. So I see it's sealed, you know. Take that little tape off. Now you guys get a good look at it. This is the back, guys. The side have 2 USB port. This looked like the charging adapter, the charging port right there to go in there. Over here have let me show you guys. It's a HDMI port, and I don't know what's that other port is for. I really don't know. It's look like it's a USB sign, but I don't know. I gotta figure that out. Okay, so as you can see right there, it's an HP. I don't know if you guys can see it. So as I said, I'm gonna be doing day trading, live day trading. Ooh, wow! When I saw this just a while ago, I was about to say I got to take this back because they give me a laptop that don't have no keyboard. I was about to say, what is going on here? But they just put this on top of it. So I think it's a big. I like the screen. I like how it look. See, guys, it's clean. I know y'all could see all the reflection of some clothes pile up that I have on my ones. All right, but yes, look at the keyboard. It's nice. Okay, it said power through your day. Power through your day. HP laptop. Ryzen, AMD Ryzen, and AMD Radeon graphics. It said HP fast charge technology, AMD Ryzen 3 processor and solid state drive, works with work, watch, and stay connected with long battery life and HP fast charge technology. Thin and light with a 6.5 mm micro edge. It said Bezel display. It said use your smartphone for reviews, video features, specs, support. So I guess I could scan right here and see what all it could do, but I only basically bought it for one thing, is to do, as I said, the live day trade. I don't know if you guys know what that is. You guys should know, but if you don't know, I'm gonna explain it to you. I'm gonna put it aside so as you guys can see it. It's beautiful. I like the color. Wow, they did a good job by not giving me a black one. I got a different color one this time. Every time when I usually get a laptop, it's always black. I never really ask for no color. They just always pick, and every time when they do a pick, it's always black. So today's be the first time I get a silver one. All right, let me put that aside for right now. Okay, we have another manual in here. Yeah, it's a manual in the box, and this is the adapter to charge it. Wow, I'm surprised this one don't come with the look how small it is. You see it? It usually be big and fat. This one is actually small. I'm surprised. So these came with it. It's easy to set up. Plug it in right here, of course, and plug it in the laptop, and it'll start charging. Also, what I got, bam, they give me this for free. Yeah, they said they give me. I had did a review on this long time ago as well. It's a screen clean kit. 200 milliliter bottle of formulated cleaning fluid for convenient spray dispenser, optical grade anti-static microfiber cleaning mitt. The mitt is behind. I want to open it, but I don't have no I do not have no knife right now to open it. And it said retractable anti-static cleaning brush as well. I guess this is the brush over here. The mitt is in the back and the fluid right here. It's basically to like clean. You could clean monitors, cell phones, GPS, cameras, laptops, tablets, camcorders, glasses. Not for use on camera lenses. So it tells you. Tells you everything right there, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing of the laptop, and me showing you what I got for free as well. And it said effective cleaning solution and cloth, no alcohol, no ammonia, leaf streak free surface, environmental friendly, pH balanced formula, oily fingerprints, messy, effectively eliminates oily fingerprints, messy little handprints, dirt and dust, smudge, excess static. So this is some good stuff, guys. Got it from BrandsMart. Well, I actually got it free with my purchase. Yes, I'm happy. I will be I will do that review. I'm gonna try my best. I'm so excited, but I will be doing that review of the car radio tomorrow, stereo radio tomorrow. That's in my car. Show you guys how it looked, what it could do, and everything. And I will try my best to upload that video for you guys. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. And your boy is out. Hope you guys enjoy your fort. I will be just do what I do best. Feel me? I might deliver some food or something, make some money, you know. It's always good to make extra money. So yeah, this is the receipt. Yeah, it came to $449.14. It was it said the sale amount was $419.76. Then it said sale tax is $29.38, and the total came to $449.14. Yeah, so yeah, as I said, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy this. Peace. Until tomorrow when I upload, and until I watch you guys' videos. For real. Peace out, and I'm out.